What does organic mean, or is it just a fancy phrase to charge more for products? Is it really something that means something?
Well, it depends. It's not to be charged more, but
it is a real thing.
Yeah, it's a real thing. It depends on, but there's a distinction between organic and certified organic. But it doesn't mean that if you're not certified organic that you're not legit. It's just, so organic means it's grown and raised in organic growing conditions. So that can be the whole process, or that should be the whole process. They are not using any sort of man-made pesticides, herbicides, whatever. So this means that it's grown in organic soil. There are organic pest control methods used, whatever, or if there's some sort of situation where there's something causing issues to the organic produce, that the organic methods are used to get rid of it. When it's certified organic, this is when the government gets involved.
Right, certified organic.
For certification.
Farms and businesses go through a official regiment and rigorous process of ensuring documents proving they have met these criteria that the USDA has deemed that these are products in which you can use and still be labeled certified organic. And if you do use these products, other side, then you lose your certification.
Right.
A lot of paperwork, a lot of money. That is kind of part of the reason why I believe it's cost more for the certified organic, because they're trying to.
Right. So let's keep this in mind that some of these companies, or even like your local farmer, might not want to go through all of this because it's going to take away from maybe them growing food.
Yes, they could get certified, but they have to spend X percentage of their overall amount, which would eliminate, picking a number, a whole field of carrots, because that cost now has to go into the certification process.
And this is why, and I think, was it last week we were talking about
a couple of weeks ago about farmers markets.
This is why it's important to talk to the farmers. You can find out, you can ask them, like, how do you control pests? What do you use? How do you do this? Blah, blah, blah. And they will tell you. So,
and if they don't tell you, walk away.
Yeah, walk away.
Yeah.
If they get weird about it, like, that's a red flag. That's like if you're on a first date and somebody gets weird about a question you ask them. And I mean, like a
common ordinary. Yeah.
What do you do for work? Why are you asking me that?
Yeah.
Like,
doesn't matter to you.
So anyway, talk to the farmers. Just know that if somebody's saying they are growing organically and they don't have the certified whatever, there's probably a reason for that. And a lot of times it comes down to all of the extra paperwork.